I've had a pretty unusual path to my current position in biotech here in Pittsburgh. I was actually trained as a journalist and spent 22 years as a reporter of all things for the Wall Street Journal. When I arrived, I became very intrigued by a disconnect, if you will, between the amount of biomedical research that's done in the region and yet the limited amount of commercial product development activity in the same space. And I sort of cast a reporter's eye at that problem and came up with the idea with some collaborators of developing a life sciences incubator here in Pittsburgh called Launch Site. And we've created a number of life sciences companies, of which Knopp is one, and of which Knopp is the one where I hang my hat every day now. We have a significant and growing number of bench scientists who have been trained at one of the world's leading biomedical research institutions, the University of Pittsburgh, also at Carnegie Mellon. We have a collaboration underway with Duquesne University, which is a foremost school of pharmacy. It's also, to be honest, a great place to recruit people. People come here and instantly recognize that it's a very family-friendly location. They instantly recognize that they have many educational alternatives for their children. They appreciate that the cost of living is much more moderate compared to the locations in which we are recruiting, which tends to be the East Coast and the West Coast of the United States. So those are among the advantages we've enjoyed.
Pittsburgh has surprised me, to be honest. There's a lot of culture here. It is a small community, and that's been really impressive. The beauty of an organization like Knopp is that we are made up of both young and, I won't say old, but more mature employees, and also employees who are coming from a real diverse background, be it their academic background, be it their cultural background. I think that having that melting pot sort of environment, not only at Knopp, but also within the entire region of Pittsburgh, is a fantastic thing. It's been an exciting organization to work with, and quite frankly, from the days that I was here when there were only 10 people to today where we've got nearly, but not quite, 50 people, the culture and the attitude of everyone and the ease with which people can communicate with each other hasn't changed at all.
So to get this job, I actually started out studying biomedical engineering at Bucknell University. Straight out of school, I went to another small biotech in Pittsburgh where I did some mathematical modeling of biological systems. I wanted to get a little more hands-on work in the laboratory though, and that's how I ended up here at Knopp. There aren't so many biotechs right now, but I think that's growing, and I think that's a really good thing for the city.
I had a good experience here at Pittsburgh about a dozen years ago as a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Pittsburgh with Peter Whiff. Coming back, I've been very pleasantly surprised to see the development about the South Side. And I've also pleasantly been surprised with the enthusiasm that's constantly sustained from our upper management here at Knopp. They are definitely committed to staying in for the long haul to develop something here to help grow the biotech industry in the Pittsburgh area.